To change the font style of the digital clock on your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the clock. When you set the clock to a digital clock, you will be provided with some font style that you can apply to your clock. You can tap its font style to see how it will look like when it's applied. If you are happy with the selection, tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. You can see that now your phone is displaying the digital clock with the font style that you have selected before. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.